channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is going to be about a skincare haul. So I lately got some skincare products for myself since the festive season is in full swing and winters are also approaching. So I just got a couple of products for myself which are not just going to take care of dryness. It's really going to keep your skin well hydrated during winters, but it's also going to give you the desired glow that you require for this beautiful festive and wedding season. So if you guys are interested in watching what all I got for my skincare, then please stay tuned. So guys, I actually bought products from two brands. One is Kama and the other one is from Innisfree. So first I'm going to show you guys what I got from Kama. Actually I have two packets with me. So the first thing that I have with me is this pack of rose water and jasmine face cleanser. So this one is like a very nice pack. I am not opening it right now because this is a gift for one of my friend. It's her birthday, so I just got a little bit of stuff for her to gift it to her. So I'm so sorry for that. I can't show you guys, but I'll still tell you the details. Now this has one piece of rose and one piece of jasmine face cleanser, and the rose face cleanser by Kama is one of the most favorites among all the bloggers, and you know, people really rave about it a lot. So I got that, and both these bottles are 50 ml in terms of its content, and this package retails for $5.95. And yeah, so this is the first thing that I got from Kama. Then I have my second packet in which I got just two things for myself. So the first thing is this Kama foot cream. I have been using this foot cream and I absolutely swear by it. It's one of the best foot creams I've ever used. So since winters are approaching, so I just thought to stock it up for myself. So this foot cream is actually 60 grams and this one retails for $595. And it has a lot of great ingredients like organic almond oil, extra virgin coconut oil, shea butter, coconut butter, kokum butter. But I really recommend you guys to try this cream out. It's an amazing foot cream. So that's that. Next thing which I got from Kama is something which I was waiting to try for the longest time, and that's the Kumkumadi Telam or the Kumkumadi Beauty, the Kumkumadi Serum. So this is actually a Kumkumadi oil which I have heard so much about from all nooks and corners that I had to get it for myself, and I finally did. So it comes in this bottle. It's not a very big bottle. It is 12 ml, and then it has a dropper which you can put in the bottle and you can just use with the dropper. All you need is just 2 drops of this oil and you can apply it on your face. Like my skin concern was that it is extremely dry in winters, and especially my under eye area, it's really dry, and that's the reason why it looks so dark. So this was recommended to me by the skin specialist which was there at the Kama store, that I should definitely give this product a shot. It is going to take care of dryness, it's going to take care of fine lines, wrinkles, dryness and dark circles under your eyes, and a lot of other such things. So I'm really looking forward to try it. In fact, I can suggest you guys one thing. If you plan to try this particular oil or any facial oil for that matter, what you need to do first is just spritz a little bit of rose water on your face or any toner. Rose water is one of my favorite toners of all times, and after that you apply this oil. So this is just going to give you a very nice nourishment, and you can really easily massage it into your skin, and that's going to give you the maximum effect which you can get from products like these, especially the face oils. So always use a toner or a rose water before applying these face oils. So this product retails for $1890. So it is actually on the priciest side, but I think it's worth the price, and it's also worth the hype because I've really heard and read a lot of good reviews about this product. So these were the 3 things that I got from Kama. Then next I got some products from Innisfree. Now this packet has a gift for my friend, and it looks like this. So once again, I'm sorry guys, it's packed, I can't open it, but I'll let you know what is there in this. So Innisfree recently launched body lotions and body gels, like a pair with the same fragrances. So they came out with 8 different fragrances or 8 different variants, and the one that I got is Cherry Blossom inside this package. So it has a body lotion and a body gel, and if you buy both of them together, you get a body loofah worth rupees 250 free of cost. So that's like the Diwali offer that they have come up with. And the packaging also says 2016 Happy Diwali, and it's a cute packaging. It looks very cute, and it's so good to give as gifts to your friends and family. So this is what I got from my friend. The body gel is for 750 rupees and the body lotion is for 900 rupees. So this entire package cost me 1650 rupees, and I got the loofah free of cost with this gift pack, and this is going to go to my friend. So then I got some more stuff for myself in this packet. It's also Innisfree. It's a Diwali special packet that they have come up with, which is really cute. First thing that I got is this body lotion. Now this is what I was talking about in that particular gift pack. I got it in the flavor Gardenia, and I must tell you guys, it smells divine. It really smells divine. I have just not been able to get over the fragrance. It is so rich. It is so good. Even the cherry blossom, that one is also amazing. So these were two of my favorite fragrances out of the entire 8 fragrances that they have come up with. So I just got the body lotion. I didn't get the body gel because winters I actually avoid using body gels. It just makes my skin too dry. But I'm gonna try this body lotion. This is so good. It's so good. You're just gonna smell rocking throughout the day if you apply this product. And as I mentioned, this bottle retails for 900 rupees and it has 300 ml of content. The thing which I got and I'm very excited to use it which I'm very excited to use is this makeup remover from Innisfree. Now they launched these in 2 different variants. So this is the oil based proper liquidy kind of makeup remover, and the other one that they came up with is like a cleansing milk. So it has that creamy consistency, but it's also a proper makeup remover, not a cleansing milk. So nonetheless, I got the one which has oil and water mixture in it. So this has apple extract, rather green apple extract, though it's infused with oil. But the good thing about this makeup remover is that it does not leave any patches or any extracts of oil on your skin when you use it to remove your makeup, unlike a lot of other makeup products do. Like if you remove your makeup using those makeup products, they kind of make your skin oily, and you know, you then have to use a soap to get rid of that oil. But this product is absolutely oil free in terms of its impact that it leaves on your face. Though it has oil, but it does not leave any traces of oil on your skin. And it also has green apple extract, which will give softness and healthy radiance to your skin. And it also smells really nice. It has a very mild smell, so it's just going to leave a nice smell on your skin. However, I'm still going to wash my face after using this product because I don't want any sort of makeup remover staying there on my skin. But nonetheless, I absolutely love it, and it's really effective in removing the makeup. And this bottle is of 100 ml and it retails for 550 rupees. And the other variant, which looks like a cleansing milk, also retails for 550 rupees and is the same content. Next up, I got 2 hand creams from Innisfree. I've always been using their hand creams. In between, I started using hand creams by Crabtree and Evelyn, but I finished all those, so I again restocked my hand creams. They have completely sort of given a makeover to their hand creams. The packaging is absolutely different now. It's all white and it has the picture of whatever ingredient of flour that they have used for that particular hand cream. Even this is available in a lot of different variants. At least I think 10 to 12 different variants are there. So I got Gardenia, of course I had to get that, and I got a lotus flower. So I got these 2 particular variants of hand creams, and their hand creams are really good. They totally absorb into your skin and they leave your hands really soft, and also takes care of dryness. However, they will not take care of extreme condition of dryness on your hands. So for that you have to use like a Borolene or a Vaseline or some oil for that matter. But you can definitely mix those things with these hand creams and use if you have very intense dryness on your skin. But otherwise, these are amazing hand creams. I have been using it for like almost 2 years now, and I just can't pass up on these. So I got these 2, and whoop, these ones retail for 300 rupees each, and the content is 30 ml. And another very interesting product that I got from Innisfree, and this is something which I have heard for the very first time in my life, and that is Camellia Essential Hair Styling Tissues. So guys, these are tissues which are actually used for hair styling, and I am really excited to use this product. So they pretty much look like wet wipes, and it just open like this. It has the sticker, and then you have these wet tissues underneath. So I haven't used it yet because I just got this product, and let me see, yeah, it even smells pretty nice. It actually smells really nice. Now how it works is, like, suppose you put a bobby pin or a clip on your hair, or you put a rubber band, elastic band on your hair, and then you get those crimps. So to get rid of those crimps, what you need to do is you just take a tissue and just take that particular strand of hair where you have that crimp and just run that tissue over that crimp or over that dent on your hair or whatever you call it, and this is going to smoothen that out and give your hair its natural looking texture. And you can also use it if you want to just get rid of the curls which are left on your hair and you just want your hair to look normal the way they were before you curl them. So you can use that tissue for that as well. However, this is the information that I have got from the store. I haven't used this product, but I'm really excited to use it, and I'll definitely review this product after I use it for you guys. So after all this purchasing, I got 2 gifts from Innisfree. So the first thing I got is this lemongrass candle. It smells obviously lemongrass, and it smells really strong, but I think you would just keep it in a room and it's gonna really refresh the ambience of the room. And the second thing that I got as a free gift is the green tea balancing special kit. This is how the kit looks like. It has a green tea lotion, it has a green tea balancing cream, and it has a green tea balancing skin. I don't know what it exactly is. It's all written in Korean language. But I think it's a face cleanser. It's what I can figure out. It's a face cleanser, then it's a face lotion, and this one I think is like a day cream or a night cream, maybe a little intense cream. So these are the 3 things which you have in this kit. It's a very nice travel friendly sort of a kit, which I really like. So guys, these were my skincare essentials and also my skincare haul for this particular season. All these products are definitely going to give a lot of benefit to your skin if you try them, because I've heard so much about them. Some of the products I've already been using, so I just restocked them, and I'm pretty happy that Innisfree has come up with so many good options and so much of variety to choose from, and the products I absolutely recommend them. I have been using them for more than 2 years now, or maybe ever since Innisfree has been launched here in India. I've been using their products and I absolutely love them. And when I'm saying it, it does not mean that this video is sponsored, or not at all. I purchased everything, I spent my money out of my pocket, but actually I use all these products and I'm very happy about it, and I'm really excited to try the new products. As far as the Kama products are concerned, the foot cream is something which I have used, so I can definitely recommend it to you guys. However, the Kumkumadi oil is something which I will be using for the first time, but I'm really excited and looking forward to see the results of this particular product. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this haul video, then please don't forget to show this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments, share this video, and yeah, till we meet next time, stay happy, stay safe, be beautiful, be positive, take good care of yourself, take good care of your skin, enjoy the festival season. Bye bye, take care, love you.